Hello, and welcome back to yet again another not cancerous, sadly, video. In the future, I will be trying, or will try to upload some cancerous content. Well, not the bad kind, the good kind. So, yeah, we got one, two, three. I'll go ahead and just take them all out of the boxing real quick, so be right back. And we're back, and yeah, we got three of these, so you can see you got information on the back. You can get the app right there. Yep. Let's go ahead. Oh yeah, I forgot. Before I upload this video or made this video in general, I did get a few of these off camera, and I got like another Dan Kuso and some evolution cards, and to be honest, I like evolution cards more than the real cards themselves. So let's go ahead and just dig into these. Block Pyrus for 0 NG, and only block Pyrus, so it's basically Pyrus, I don't know. Dot DK, choose a player to discard 2 cards, not 1, but 2. Okay, pretty nice. Unrivaled Jump, 900 B power, pretty nice. Prismatic Bolt, plus 300 B power and 6 attack. That's pretty good if you definitely know you're going to win. 300 is pretty good. Block Ventus. Alright. Halt Chaos. Titan Max Tor Ultra. Alright, it's a rare card, but I like it. So, it takes 4 energy to summon this card, to evolve your Maxitor. And gives Maxitor 800 B power and 8 attack. It is a rare card, if I can get it to focus. There it is. I like that. Titan Fangzor for the Aurelus faction, or attribute. I like calling it attribute more. So, 4 energy for 1,300 B power and 4 attack. And if you land on just a shield in general, you get 8 attack. So, maximum of 12. This is also a rare. I'm just going to go ahead and go to the next one. This one's upside down. Hold on. I don't know how that happened. Let me just go ahead and just flip it around. Alright. This is a super rare, by the way. We got Apocalypse. So, it gives you 500 B power and domination. If your Bakugan holds the most backup cores, draw 3 cards. Alright. And then you got Wayne. You get to destroy an Evo card that was not played this turn. Alright. Also has a shiny effect, because you know when there's the final card is always going to have that effect. Let's go ahead and just put these up here and just show that we've gone through it. The cute Apocalypse reminds me of the Chubbo, or I don't know, I haven't seen the name really that much, so I don't really remember it. It's from him from the TV show, I believe. The real question is, can I get this out of the package? There we go. Okay, block Growth. 1 energy to stop Aquas or Ventus. Block Outsiders. Blocks Pyrus. I like the hot tub, the Dragonoid in it. Block Pyrus. Basically the same thing as the other one, except it's free. Actually, no, it's not the same one. It blocks only Pyrus. The other one says it just blocks everything but Pyrus. Song of Fire. That's 5 energy. Or 3 energy. Titan Slash. Gives you 4 attack. And if the Bakugan's attack becomes 10 or greater, draw a card. Block Ventus. Stops Ventus, of course. What else? Light as a Feather. Put this into your hand and draw a card. So basically free energy card right here, I believe. Heroic Inspiration. It's a lot of Troxes. Draw a card for each hero you have in play. So maximum of 1 to 2, I would say. Mulch. Energize the top card of your deck. Uncharge. Energize the top card of your deck. Uncharge. Return this to your hand. And then we have another one of these. Shiny Effect Garganoid Gaze. Destroy a hero with cost 4 energy or less. Okay, so this one was better, in my opinion, so far. We got the Dragonoid packages. It feels like I'm getting more out of the Hydrus packages than anything else. Secondly would be Dragonoid, and I don't know. I still don't think it really matters if you get what type of packaging. But, you know, just convenient. It's convenient. Hydro Blast, 4 attack and 4 ice. Actually, hold on, let me just go ahead and move these up here. There you go. Yeah, we got that. Super Shot, 1 energy for 300. That's pretty nice. Ice Barrier. Dream Illusion, 1100 B power, 5 energy. That's pretty nice. Ice Elect, 8 attack if you're the only one. Oh, wait, if you only have 1 open Bakugan. Jeesh. English is nice. Icicle, you get 6 attack. Flooding Waters, 200 B power for each Aquas Bakugan on your team. Bubble Net, 300 B power. Retract your Bakugan at the end of the turn. Wax. Destroy all enemy Evos. That's a pretty good card. We got Titan Hydrus Ultra. I mean, I believe I got one of these already. But it takes 6 energy to use it. 700 B power, 7 attack. Victor, destroy an enemy energy card. So, pretty good card, I would say so. Has a shiny effect too. And yeah, that's all the cards here. Unless you want to see all this trash over here, which I don't think you do. So yeah. Remember to subscribe to PewDiePie. Have a blessed day.